Right now is definitely butterfly prime. Odyssey Resorts has these kits available for any guests to use. You can use them with your family, pick them up at the front desk anytime you want.
And here's a net.
You'll have little nets, the little bug houses,
Whoa, it's right in front of me.
magnifying glasses, bug grabbers, and they'll have little guidebooks in them too. Does he look like any of these?
I think it's
Cabbage white. You don't have to go out looking for something, but chances are you'll probably run into it because there's a lot of nature up here.
I got 2 bugs. Well, let me get a look at that. Cool.
You can walk right outside the front door, look down, and there's probably 100 different things going on a very, very small level, and it's creating the nature that's all around us.
Look.